Hello, Ebusia. Today is day 5 of our magical practice and another practice magic money. And here you complain we all do it. We are all guilty of this. You complain because if you are saying the you cannot live without complaining. But we should also know self complaining and fashion. You're complaining. Tension and a dose of stress and a costro, but shame-free complaints in Mumbai, right? And so we should be grateful for kakra iwubia and keep working on ourselves and keep working on and your ma ye achieve in our lives and yakanyina beba yakanyina onyame de beka ye ho Allah de beka ye ho universe de beka ye ho. And so let's read. Gratitude is riches. Complaint is poverty. If there's a lack of money in your life, understand that feeling worried, envious, jealous, disappointed, discouraged, doubtful, or fearful about money can never bring more money to you, because those feelings come from a lack of gratitude for the money you have. Complaining about money, arguing about money, getting frustrated about money, being critical of the cost of something, or making someone else feel bad about money are not acts of gratitude. And the money in your life can never improve. It will worsen. No matter what's your current situation, the thought that you don't have enough money is being ungrateful for the money you have. You have to get your current situation out of your mind and instead feel grateful for the money you do have, so the money in your life can magically increase. Feeling grateful for money when you have very little is challenging for anyone, but when you understand that nothing will change until you are grateful, you will be inspired to do it. The subject of money can be a tricky one for many people, especially when they don't have enough. So there are two steps to the magic money practice. It's important that you read through the entire practice of magic money at the beginning of the day, because you will continue with the money practice throughout the day. And so practice we know this is the first thing you must do. Keep in mind, say complaining about money no emphasis kabebre emba, instead ebe wese. And this is the first thing you must do, and you must keep it in mind. Say you are practicing gratitude for sikadudu bia ewo wakount man ase wubuto anase unsem. Keep that in mind. Sit down and take a few minutes to think back through your childhood before you had any or much money. As you recall each memory where money was paid for you, say and feel the magic word thank you with all your heart for every instance. And so no or say and drinking coin she time na young kwala bibia your parents tia kama bia from aduane ani ye diatade aye share dan aye dem and pabwa aye share and all that. No, we should sit back and rethink of those things that we received freely, because we received them freely, even though na your parents in yes cry na ye didi na ye shatade na ye nya baby da and all that. And so we should be grateful just for that. I say after say wadwene ho awie, sorry nkam ya beka Italian. After say wadwene ho awie no or say all of these things cost money. And so dwene lighter na unya dem ebia light no na nye da bia na o ba still na light wo ho ebia na unya TV share ugo school ani mo ska kota aduane ana se ugo school kra ye ma aduane na adeko uma break na wadi nti dwene sa ne money nyina ho. And so say all these things cost money, and you received them all at no charge. As you travel back through memories of your childhood and youth, you realize how many things you received that equate to hard-earned money. Be grateful for every single instance and memory, because when you can feel sincere gratitude for the money you've received in the past, your money will magically increase in the future. It is guaranteed by universal law. To continue with the practice of magic money, take a dollar bill and write on a sticker that you place on the bill. And you know, or no can dollar, but say oh the see the euro a pound sterling currency biano, or say for currency bia de opebia. Natural, thank you for all the money I've been giving throughout my life. And then take that dollar with you today. Put it in your wallet or wherever you prefer to put it. At least once in the morning and once in the afternoon, or as many times as you want. Take it out and hold that sikano and in your hand, and read your written words and be truly grateful for the abundance of money you've been given in your life. The more sincere you are and the more you feel it, the faster you will see a miraculous change to the circumstances of your money. You will never know ahead of time how your money will increase, but likely you will see many different circumstances change for you to have more money. You could find money you didn't realize you had. Receive unexpected cash or checks. Receive discounts or decrease in cost. Or receive all kinds of material things that would have cost you money. And so that's what I was saying earlier. Said what's na say na adwene ho bebrea emfaso bia amba, but so you're grateful I be obi betumi a chewade e bia obi da honom unhu kwa kra be faso a ese uti abate wo ha obi si send me your number na me send you momo. Gratitude now practice so aketiana udino. And so remember to be grateful for kakrebia wobia yenyina yenim say easy, because we live in a world where you can bibia. But as I keep saying, whilst you keep being grateful, that doesn't mean say, oh, I'm grateful until me trying to be mature, my dear. You are being grateful because you want to have a happy life. You want to have a peaceful life. Yeah. And see now practicing gratitude. No, but whilst you are practicing gratitude, whatever you have to do to survive on so SSL a juma be SSL be SSL so SSL ko juma a honey hair crown, you have to do it. And yes, we are grateful, practicing gratitude until now to honor now trying to say man and free from bra and whilst you are practicing gratitude, remember to do whatever you have to do for your life and for your future as well. And so I say, if you find in your situation where you are about to complain about something to do with money, whether it's through your words or your thoughts, ask yourself, am I willing to pay the price for this complaint? Because let's remember, so say every complaint you make, you take something from your own self. You take something from Uji sikani be free one kasa. I don't know why we need in our science so good so subtracted. And so I see every time be a beba wajin so be complaints and answer the one be complaints in this who say, am I ready to pay for the price of this complaint? Because that one complaint will slow or even stop the flow of money in your life. From this day forward, make a promise to yourself that whenever you receive any money, whether it's your salary or work, a refund or discount, or something that someone gives you that costs money, you will be truly grateful for it. Each of these circumstances means that you have received money, and each instance gives you an opportunity to use gratitude's magical power to increase and multiply your money, even more than by being grateful for the money you've just received. And so remember to be grateful for it. Remember to be happy and keep being positive about your life. Keep being happy and keep living a healthy life. So that's all for this chapter. See you tomorrow with another chapter. have a blessed day, and remember to share this channel with your loved ones and your friends, and kindly give me your feedback. Thank you. Have a blessed day.